anchors. Lift the top flap of that buckle. Ladies and gentlemen, JetBlue Airways would like to be the first to welcome you to Orlando, Florida. The local time here is an early arrival time of 8:35 a.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carrying items put away until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. That would be your indication that it is safe for you to stand. Please be careful when opening those overhead bins because items do tend to move during the flight. Checked baggage will be available for you at carousel number 5. Carousel 5 for your checked bags. However, if you have a receipt that says claimant gate, which is usually designated to the strollers or car seats, wheelchairs, you can pick up those items right outside the front boarding door. If you need any additional help getting off the plane, such as wheelchair service, feel free to remain seated till after we've arrived at the gate so we can make sure ground personnel is in place and better assist you. For information on any connecting flights and baggage claim, you can check the airport monitors or you can download our free JetBlue mobile app. And when you get a chance, please visit our website, JetBlue.com. You can learn about our True Blue loyalty program and earn points on all of your flights, starting with this morning's flight. So once again, on behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Boston and JFK-based crew, we would all like to say thank you for flying JetBlue. It's been quite a pleasure taking care of you this morning, and we hope to see you on a future JetBlue flight. You guys stay safe in all of your travels. If the Orlando area happens to be home for you, welcome home. Thank you.
From all professional sports, high-tech and emerging medical industries, to our private market, there's